This is my raised bed. I have yellow Jolokia, and I think this. Alright, this is a scorpion, which I never had a luck with a scorpion. This year I just put some straws, hay. Yep. Look at this one. That's the yellow Jolokia right there. Oh. Wow, look at this one right there. There's a couple habaneros down there. This is a scorpion. There's only one right there. Look at this. Scorpion. Yep. First year, the only fertilizer I give, it's blood meal and bone meal. That's it. Nothing else. That's a couple habaneros down there. And this one, I didn't have luck with it. I don't know what happened. It just died. Scorpion. This one's another scorpion here. Looks beautiful and healthy. Okay, that's right there. See, right there, that's a scorpion. Lots of yield. That's bone meal, I'll tell you. It's organic. Yellow boot, Jolokia. That's healthy. And this is another one right in the pot here, yellow Jolokia. They love the pot. And this one, it's red Jolokia, is in the pot. It's beautiful. Look at this. Now here it is. That boot Jolokia right here. Wow, it's beautiful. These peppers. Yeah. I tried every fertilizer. This is the first year I have luck with the bone meal and the blood meal. That's it. Alright, this one right there. This is beautiful. Look at this one. And beautiful, crazy. That's yellow. Red Jolokia. This one just died. Probably I watered it too much. So this is another one healthy. Yellow boot. Oh, that's a beautiful one. Look at this. It's a beautiful. Oh yeah. It's good. Is it right there? Yeah, I picked already 2 times from all this, many years, lots of it. This one laying down there somehow. Have to fix it. It's so heavy. Oh, they like a raised bed. And lots of haze. Isn't those haze? I mean, oh. This is my raised bed right here. It's a beautiful morning. This is some habaneros. Well, used to be the hottest pepper, habaneros, not anymore. Jolokia took over, then Scorpion came. Said, hey, I'm the hottest. Right there, that's a Scorpion. Fantastic. Beautiful, look at this. It's beautiful. Look at this. It's so healthy. Another one right there. It was very hot this year. We had 104 Fahrenheit. Like the whole August month was very hot. Yeah, this is Thousand Oaks in California. It's a beautiful trees right there. Beautiful tree. Looking good.